Today I am going to show you how to use Grammarly. I am in Google Chrome, just typing search bar Grammarly Chrome extension and enter. I am clicking on this result, Grammarly for Chrome. Grammarly for Chrome. Add to Chrome. Please click add to Chrome. Then add extension. Just wait here. Do not browse any tab or minimize this tab. A better way to write. Fix your spelling and grammar. Clarify and tighten your sentence. Strike the right tone. Enhance your fluency. That's how it's work. Write your best with your Grammarly for Chrome. By installing the extension, you agree to Grammarly terms and conditions and acknowledge that you have read Grammarly's policy and privacy policy. From grammar and spelling, style and tone, Grammarly helps you eliminate writing error and find the perfect word to express yourself. So friends, Grammarly for Chrome has been added to Chrome. Use this extension by clicking icon. Just ignore this tab. In the Chrome browser, click extension button. Click pin and cross. Here is the Grammarly button. Then you type anywhere to use Grammarly. Example, I am going to my Gmail account to write a mail. Compose. No thanks. Here is the icon. That is Grammarly. I am just typing AME message here to use Grammarly in Chrome for ignore spelling error and any mistakes. Here the ignore, I am Grammarly ignore. That's how it works. Thank you. Stay tuned.